To install the GT350 Caliper overlays, you're going to need a microfiber towel, 91% isopropyl alcohol, a felt card, and a spray bottle that is half filled with water and 2 milliliters of mild dishwashing soap. The first step to take is to completely clean the caliper face. Use the 91% isopropyl alcohol to degrease the entire surface and to remove any small particles that may be stuck on it. Then, using the mild soap solution, spray the caliper as well as the overlay and begin laying it out. Start from top to bottom and slowly align the edges of the caliper's face. Once you like where the caliper face sits, go ahead and grab the felt card and uniformly squeegee all the water out. To make sure that you get all the water out of the logo, use your finger to remove the air pockets that you may have trapped behind. Then once you do so, do a final squeegee with the felt card. Follow the same procedure for the rear calipers. Remember, if you don't like where it sits, you can maneuver the caliper overlay using the mild soap solution before even tacking it down with a felt card.